Hey guys, today I'm with one Burger King, two Burger Kings, and we're going to be reviewing our copycats. So, starting off with Bay Area Burger Boy. There's all his stuff. Yeah, so starting off, he started this channel September 25th, 2023. And then its description says, follow 9-year-old Bryce as he reviews the best burgers from South County to San Fran. Bryce considers himself a burger connoisseur and will rate the quality of each burger as it pertains to taste, texture, and quality. Alright, so 9-year-old boy looks like this. No way that kid's coming at me when he looks like that. So, let's look at his first video, which was a short.
Today we're here at Slater's 50/50, and I'm going to be trying the kids slider. And since my mom ordered the Wagyu steak burger, I'm going to be trying a little bit of her. So
what kind of milkshake did you get there?
Oh,
I know who this is.
A vanilla
Wait.
milkshake with caramel.
If you don't know, when we were at the airport from Texas, we were airdropping our channel saying sub to Burger Boys on YouTube. Sarah kept declining it, so I'm pretty sure that's his mom. Sarah, really?
But I'm gonna start a series where I go around and try different burgers in California and rate them and see which one is the best one in California.
Why is he moving like that?
Bryce King, the burger man.
The Burger Boy.
The burger boy, yeah. Alright.
Yeah, it was her idea, bro.
Check back on you in a few minutes where I'll get to try the new burger.
Okay, first off, Sarah, why would you order a Wagyu steak burger?
You see what I'm
And I'm
saying?
gonna be trying.
Alright, and then let's look at Mr. Bryce's. Why did I put in 0.5? Sorry, my bad, guys. Here, this is the continue of his burger. Bro got 2 burgers.
It tastes perfectly done. There's even pink on the inside.
Tastes perfectly done. Tell me where you see a bite out of that. Tell me where you see you took a bite, bro.
Perfectly done.
Man tried a single atom.
The bun.
The bun is soft and
Looks like a little brioche bun.
yeah. The ketchup is not
Cat.
too
Cat.
active.
Yeah. CKATCHUP. Yeah, ketchup.
Yeah.
Overall, I would give this
That's definitely how you spell
a
it.
good solid 7 out of 7.5.
There's nothing wrong with it.
He didn't say anything wrong with it. Anything. And it's a 7.5. He said the fries were crispy and tender and well done. The ketchup was good. The burger that he didn't even try was amazing and tender and juicy. How does it not get a 10 out of 10? He didn't complain. Next video.
Let's see the famous restaurant.
And I'm back with the video. Today we're gonna be rating
Kinda looks like a
the
beaver.
very popular
I've never heard of this place. I've never heard of this place.
Never heard of it.
What is this place?
Bro took the pickles off.
Bro's allergic to pickles. Like he's allergic to success.
That's really good.
He actually tried it? What? Those fries don't look cooked. Not gonna lie. Tender and juicy. Has been cooked to perfection.
I feel like it could be a little bit more.
Watch him rate it a 10 out of 10. More melty. Didn't even rate it. Didn't even rate the burger. You know what? You know what? You know what? You know what? Most disrespect. The most disrespect. Yeah. And wait, his first video saying what he's gonna be doing. That sounds an awful lot like this particular person's channel. Look, sounds a lot like this video.
Every single burger in the USA. So this is how
Don't you think, Brayden?
I wonder who these people are. I think these people copied him.
Yeah, this was made like they definitely copied him.
Oh wait, never
This was
mind.
made June 5th. Yeah, they copied him.
go to the end of 2023. So whoever has the best rank in the end of 2023, we will personally make.
Look at that beautiful video, perfect perfection. The camera girl could have done better, but at the same time,
All right, so that was him. We're gonna do these other people. All right, we're just gonna look up Burger Boy,
I feel bad for this
filter
kid.
it to. Wait a minute. One thing I forgot to show y'all. I think he just made a new video 5 days ago. So Burger Boy, Bayside.
How does this guy remember? How do you remember his YouTube?
It's
channel?
Bay Area, right? Yeah, Bay Area.
Oh. Wait.
But yeah, he made a video.
Wait a second. That was like my other channel.
Hey, it's Bryce, the Bay Area Burger Boy.
Did that guy have puberty? He don't sound any. He
Man
don't
just
sound-
hit puberty.
Bro hit puberty early.
Alright, so. Ain't no way.
Bro looks like my high school
Hey, it's
janitor.
Bryce, the Bay
He's not
Area
in high
Burger
school.
Boy.
Bro looks like my janitor.
Reviews a homemade burger. Solid.
Today we'll be stopping at the best spot in town. My own house. Where my mama has
Look at my face right now, camera.
Stop at the best place on earth. My house.
That's a lie. It's not good to lie, kids.
famous burger. She's eating them up,
When I'm done with this.
part is that she fries them in duck fat. Alright, let's
Duck fat? Duck fat? Watch him rate it a 10 out of 10 just because it's his mommy.
that is it.
He's smacking. Chew with your mouth closed, please. At least he didn't put his elbows on the table.
A melted cheese at the back.
10 out of 10.
His mom's probably gonna beat him if he doesn't. His mom's gonna beat him if he
Mom's
doesn't.
like,
rate
how
it
did I
10 out
not
of 10.
win the Burger Hall of Fame?
Brioche bun.
It's a real one. I got it from Trader Joe's, and she fried them
That
up.
guy looks like this guy looks like my classmate Arturo.
Bro.
I was rating this burger. That looks like Arturo. That looks like Arturo. 9
What would make it a 10?
Can't rate it 10 until no all over.
Oh, okay.
He's getting beat after this video.
They're good burgers. And if you want to know how to make it, I will put the recipe in the comments below. And
Why do I smell a little bit of cap? I smell cap!
Comments are turned off.
I knew it. But
Maybe it's in the description.
no, it's not.
Go check.
I did. Burger Boys. Alright. Looking up Burger Boys now.
He said, "Why do I smell a little bit of calf?"
Alright. We're looking at Burger Boys. Oh, hold on. Let me get that off the screen. Alright. First person that comes up is Burger Boys.
He definitely didn't copy us.
2 years ago. Yeah, he didn't copy us, but
Still, he made a chicken
best
sandwich video.
shawarma.
बर्गर की रेसिपी बहुत सिंपल है आपको सिर्फ एक बन
जो है इतना सॉफ्ट है दिल कर रहा है इसके ऊपर मैं सर रख के ना सो
और
I can't really understand him.
बाकी सारे शशके आप पे हैं
Yeah, so solid channel.
I like what he's doing.
Yeah. He didn't copy us. He started before us.
Way before us. Then we have the lovely and unique and amazing and spectacular.
Ooh, Burger Boys. The We Eat Burgers. Them. They copied us.
Welcome to the first episode of Burger Boys, a series where we boys eat burgers, do some things, but mainly eat burgers.
Obviously, we have great taste.
We've caught from Nino Burgers in Mumbai.
We did not write our order on the burger. Kino Burgers should understand that we should know which burger is which burger. We don't know, all look the same. At least write it on top.
After spending some time figuring out which burger is which burger, we tried their crinkle fries with the dip.
Burger Boy तुषार कह रहा है कि इसका टेस्ट बहुत अजीब है.
He even put the BB.
Smash burger from Nino is really tasty, but
Oh my god, classic chicken is okay. Pav is like that pav must pav.
How are you gonna call a burger a chicken sandwich?
But this pav doesn't feel like burger ka pav. Street side burger.
No, how are you gonna call a chicken sandwich a burger?
5.
Did I just say that?
Yeah, you said how am I gonna call a burger a chicken sandwich?
Welcome to the first episode of Burger Boys, a series where we boys eat burgers, do
There's
some
a
things,
big
but
difference,
mainly
so get it
eat
right, tough
burgers.
guy. Alright, so, yeah.
Wait, we should rate who has the best channel.
No, none of them have good channels.
Us.
Let's see.
I don't think anybody with more subscribers than us
Exploring
copied us.
Columbus. So these are people that live in Ohio. Oh, yep, they didn't start after us. Welcome to our channel. This hold on, where's the one with the BB in front of us? In front of it. They really copied us. Right there.
They don't even have any videos.
They deleted it. I was watching their channel last night and they deleted it.
Oh, wait.
Oh, never mind. Wrong channel, my bad.
I feel bad for that person.
It had a BB in front of it, like we have.
Oh, there.
No, it was in
there.
front of a burger.
Oh.
Right there. It was like the Burger King logo.
Oh.
Yeah, but they didn't even talk about the burgers. So, yeah, this is the end of the video. Please don't copy us.
And if you do, I will make a diss track on you.
I want you to have me a diss track. I don't even freaking want.
Stay tuned for the next video.
Where we review.
And not gonna lie, that burger from Longhorn was made. Burger Boys out.